Are you an aspiring entrepreneur? Are you interested in selling your products on Amazon? If yes, I invite you to my 3 days Amazon Selling Workshop. In this workshop, I reveal my 3-step system to build your Amazon store successfully. You can do this even if you have never done this before, even if you are very new to this thing, and even if you are non-tech person. Yes, anybody can do this. Definitely, I believe you can do this. To sign up for this training, you can check out the link somewhere around this video. Just click on that link and sign up for this training. So here is what we are going to cover in this 3 days training program. On day 1, I'm going to show you how to find hot selling products on Amazon. I'm sure nobody is talking about this strategy. On day 1 itself, you will be able to figure out a successful product. That's on day 1. On day 2, I will show you how to find a reliable supplier at a fraction of the cost so that you will be able to make massive profits. Yeah, that's on day 2. On day 3, finally, I'm going to show you how you can launch your product on Amazon. Show your product to the very first page of Amazon search result. Whenever someone searches for your product, how to get tons of orders instantly as you launch your product on Amazon. That is what we are going to cover on day 3. Yeah? This exact training that you are about to sign up for has 5,000 plus raving reviews on Trustpilot. People are going crazy about this training. I don't want you to miss it. Click the link somewhere around this video, jump on this training, sign up today. This system is not something I just teach. This system is I have been using it personally for over 7+ years. In this training, I'm going to show you how you can replicate it and create a similar system for yourself at a cost of less than a movie ticket. I don't want you to miss it. I click the link, sign up now, and I will see you inside.